Stop for a second and think. Why are some people rich and successful while others stay poor and struggle forever? Is it because of luck? Is it because rich people are special? No. T is a lie. The real difference between the rich and the poor is mindset. Rich people think differently. They do not wait for a better life, they create it. They do not blame others, they take control. They do not fear failure, they learn and grow from it. And here's the truth: you have the power to do the same. Right now, you are standing at a turning point. If you learn this secret, you will never think the same way again. You will stop living with limits. You will start seeing opportunities everywhere. You will begin a journey that can take you to success. And the best part? While learning these life-changing lessons, you will also improve your English. So, if you are ready to become stronger, smarter, and unstoppable, then stay with me, because today, your new life begins. Chapter 1: The Secret That Changes Everything. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine waking up in a beautiful house, with no worries about money, no stress about the future. You have the freedom to travel, to help your family, to live the life you always dreamed of. Now, imagine waking up in the same small, uncomfortable room you have always known, feeling stuck, worried about bills, and thinking, will my life ever change? Now, let me ask you, which life do you want? Some people achieve great success, while others struggle forever. But why? Is it because rich people are born lucky? Is it because poor people are not smart enough? No. The real reason is something much bigger. Something most people never realize: mindset. Now, let's stop for a moment and take a small English lesson, because, as you learn about success, you will also improve your English. New word: mindset. Mindset, noun. The way a person thinks and believes about life. Example: rich people have a strong mindset that pushes them to success. Poor people have a weak mindset that keeps them stuck. Now, let's test your thinking style. Look at these two sentences and choose which one sounds more like you. 1. I will never be successful because life is too hard. 2. I can learn, grow, and create my own success. Which sentence feels true to you? If you agree with the first one, don't worry. Mindsets can be changed. And if you agree with the second one, you are already thinking like the rich. The story of two brothers. Let me tell you a quick story about two brothers, James and William. They grew up in the same poor neighborhood, went to the same school, and had the same struggles. But as they grew older, their lives became completely different. James became successful. He started a business, made smart decisions, and built a great life. But William stayed in the same place, always struggling with money and complaining that life was unfair. What happened? Did James get lucky? No. The truth is, James and William had different mindsets. James believed that he could learn anything and improve his life. William believed that his life was controlled by luck and other people. This is the biggest secret of rich versus poor. It is not about money, it is about how you think. Now, let's pause again for another English challenge. English learning challenge. Use the word mindset in a sentence. Now that you know the word mindset, try using it in your own sentence. Here's an example. If you want to be successful, you need a strong mindset. Now, write your own sentence. The more you practice, the better you become. Not just in English, but in life. Your first step to a rich mindset. Right now, you are already taking the first step toward a successful mindset. Why? Because you are learning, you are thinking, and you are improving yourself. Most people never even try. Now, tell me, are you ready to think like the rich? Are you ready to change your future? Because in the next chapter, we will talk about the one mistake that keeps most people poor forever. And once you understand it, you will never be the same again. Chapter 2. The one mistake that keeps people poor forever. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen a person work hard all their life, but never become rich? Maybe you know someone like this, someone who wakes up early, works long hours, and still struggles to pay their bills. Now, think about rich people. Do they always work harder than everyone else? No. In fact, some of them work less, but earn much more. So, what is the difference? What is the one mistake that keeps people poor forever? Before I tell you, let's take another small English lesson. New word, asset. Asset noun. Something that brings you money or increases in value over time. Example, buying a house to rent out is an asset because it makes you money. The mistake that traps people in poverty. Most poor people believe that working hard alone will make them rich. But here is the truth. Hard work alone is not enough. If hard work made people rich, construction workers, janitors, and farmers would be the richest people in the world. But they are not. Why? Because they focus on earning money, but not growing money. Rich people, on the other hand, make their money work for them. They buy assets, things that bring them more money over time. The story of two friends. Let's meet two friends. Michael and David both earn $2,000 per month. But after 10 years, Michael is still struggling, while David has built a fortune. Why? Michael spends all his money on new phones, expensive clothes, and things that lose value. David saves and invests in assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses. By the time 10 years pass, Michael is still living paycheck to paycheck. But David, his money is working for him, and he is financially free. Now, let's pause for another English challenge. English learning challenge. Use the word asset in a sentence. Example, buying books is an asset because they increase my knowledge. Now, try to write your own sentence. The more you practice, the better you become. Your next step toward a rich mindset. Now, tell me, are you a Michael or a David? If you want to be like David, you must start learning how to make your money grow. And in the next chapter, we will talk about how to escape the cycle of poverty, even if you have no money right now. So, are you ready? Let's go.